Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Then let's go to language. And here we've got the languages which we've got currently applied. We've got English and Russian, I believe. Let's tap on Add Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically, just find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe... maybe... let me pick Turkish. Just choose the region if you can, and your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the list. It is at the top, it is also marked, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, like I've got 3, then you can simply tap on the language and tap on Apply, I believe, or Change. And as you can see, right now we've got English set. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit, and here we have to mark those which we want to remove and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.